welcome back to my channel. And I'm really excited for today's project because we are doing an extreme makeover in our guest bathroom. So this bathroom has not seen any attention over the past 40 years. And so it's very, very dated. It's needed a lot of work. I think this is gonna be an incredible transformation and that y'all are really, really gonna like it. The biggest project that I'm tackling right now is our bathroom floor. As I'm getting up the flooring, I've noticed that whoever put this flooring down did it very well. You normally don't want your flooring to pop off. And although I wish that they had installed it incorrectly, it would have been much easier for me to take off. They did not. And I'm having to literally chip and chip and chip away at this flooring until I can get it off. As you can see, it's become a bit messy. This tile, I'm literally having to break into pieces because I can't get my crowbar under there enough to actually pop up the tile. And I've spent so much time trying to do that and it's just not working. So, second option is this. I'm actually bringing out my big boy shield because I've popped myself in the face a few times with all these tiny pieces and we just need to be more careful than anything. Wow. I've done tile projects, like demolishing. I haven't actually laid tile before, but I have demolished plenty of tile and it was not nearly as hard as this was. But we're making do. So I'm almost done. I have literally this little area by the toilet that I have left to do, but I have to remove the toilet first. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this huge mess that I made.
The supply line at the shutoff valve and the tank. Next, remove the horn with a stiff wire brush.
Okay, I just watched a how-to remove a toilet. First thing, turn it off, flush, and no leaks. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the second bolt. I didn't even need a wrench for these. They literally just screw right off. Make sure I save these so I have it when I install the toilet again. Also, so easy, just came right off. Now if I did this right, the top part should just pop right off and then I can work on taking the big guy out. Okay, I'm gonna pull straight up. Oh, it worked. Such a little thing to like remove a toilet, but I'm so proud. Now I just gotta figure out where to put it. Second bit, I have to unscrew the caps on the bottom. I'm not gonna keep boring you guys with my toilet removal. I'm just gonna try to get this last section off. You guys, I did it. I'm just stuffing a towel in the drain because the biggest thing about this is you don't want sewer gases to be able to leak back into your home. And then you can just throw away the wax ring and voila! That's crazy. I always thought that was gonna be so much harder than it actually was. But now that I've done it, I feel like I can conquer anything. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. Yesterday, we made some huge progress here in the bathroom after removing the toilet, which is something I've never done before, but it was super easy, along with removing all of the remaining tile that had been on the floor. After that, I spent a good 3 hours scraping and removing all of the leftover thin set on our concrete foundation so that we had a nice, clean, and prepped surface for our new tile. So I've actually never laid tile before, but I did watch a ton of videos and I do have a little bit of guidance. So I think that we're gonna manage to do this just fine, and I'm super excited for it. It's gonna be a skill that I need for the future, because if you guys are unaware, we do have another home called Oak Cottage, and it is an old Victorian style home that is needing a full remodel / renovation. It's basically become a restoration because of all the things that we've done to it. It has all of these old characteristics that we're bringing back to life. And there are 2 bathrooms in that home that are gonna need full remodel, which means tiling. So this is gonna be a great project for me to practice in because this is a very small amount of square footage. It's 28 square feet. And we're gonna be cutting tile for the first time, laying it down, and I'm super excited to take y'all along with me. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with these 2 in the center. Looking really good. I found my center. We're not using any kind of laser levels or anything in here. We're doing it very old school. Now I'm laying all the tile, putting down all the thin set, and so far it's going really good. Okay, I've mentioned that this is my first time ever doing tile, which means this is my first time ever using a tile cutter. I am doing more basic cuts. These are usually very straight. We're using a very old school tile cutter. I got this from my father-in-law. I highly recommend this because I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to use. So this is the piece of tile that I'm getting ready to cut. I essentially need it cut in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and lift this lever, and there's this kind of disc, it's the cutter, and that's gonna go right on the edge of our tile. And then you push down the lever, add a little bit of pressure, and you're gonna hear a cutting noise as it slides across. Flat metal part, that's gonna go flat against your tile, and then you're just gonna apply a little bit of pressure, and hopefully this will pop. And then you have a clean cut piece of tile without having to worry about moving blades. This is very, very simple and super friendly for DIYer like myself. guys, we are officially done with the bathroom flooring. It looks so good. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed getting to see this process with me. It was definitely a skill that I had wanted to learn for so long, and it's going to benefit me in the long run. We still have so much more left to do in this bathroom, like finish putting up the beadboard around the rest of the bathroom. We're also going to be wallpapering this upper half, installing our new sink along with the toilet, new fixtures. I'm going to leave y'all a little snippet of the mood board, because if this bathroom turns out anything like this mood board looks, then it's going to be so good. So make sure that y'all are subscribed and you hit that bell notification sign so that you're alerted when I post my videos. So make sure to stick around. I will see you guys in 2 Sundays for another video, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye guys.